kuno akukoze. Moussa Saleh Patrick bw'abadde amukyaliddeko mu woofiisi ye kwongera okunnyonnyola ku bikwata ku mukago gwa Organization of Africa, Caribbean and Pacific State. Uganda mweringa memba era ng'omumyuka wa Sipiika wa Parliament. Eno Thomas Tayebwa ye President w'omukago ogwo.
EU OACPS Joint Parliamentary Assembly in October. Yes, in October. I think we've done a good work, and our parliament really deserves to host that. It would be a huge one, with over 100 members or 200 members of the European Parliament coming here for around 10 days, with over 300 members from Caribbean, Pacific and Africa coming here to discuss the future and the cooperation of the European Union and the Global South.
Oboth ategeezezza Moussa Saleh Patrick nti mu bonna abeesimbyewo olala Otunu yasinga okuba n'obumanyirivu nti era kyandibadde kirungi nga ye yanoonya akalulu mu mawanga ago gonna 79 n'amuwagira kw'ossa n'okukubiriza amawanga amalala gaakulembera nago okumuwagira.
Give all the necessary support for Ambassador Otunu. Yes, that is something. He's the only elder in that place. He could have suffered some setback some years ago, but now we've done the realignment. Yeah. He is the most capable candidate. I've listened to all others, and Otunu is the best candidate we can ever have. And he's coming with such a blend. Yeah. Such a blend. He's a calm guy, you know. So the UN must be looking for him. Yeah. Thank you. Give him all the support. Thank you.
Ono era asabye Moussa Saleh Patrick okufuba okunyumirwa Kampala ne Uganda nti kuba mu budde bw'ekiro Kampala enyuma nnyo n'okusinga bw'ennyuma emisana ng'asaanye okwettanira ebifo eby'enjawulo ng'obudde buzibye alabe Uganda engeri entuufu gy'enyumamu.
Coming to Uganda, you've met everyone who matters in Uganda, and I'm glad to be among those that you're meeting. But in your program, I have not had any time that allocated to excursions. You might think Ugandans were so mean. This is a country very rich with many things, especially in the industry of hospitality. We have very robust nightlife. We have very good countryside safaris. So you've given him a very tight program. I don't know whether we'll have time to do some sightseeing at all. But feel welcome. So we let him see classified sites. Okay. So, Your Excellency, the Secretary General, feel welcome.
Onategeezezza nti omukago gwabwe gugendereddwamu okulaba nga gutuusa eddoboozi ly'abantu ku ssemazinga wa Afrika ne ku mutendera gw'ensi yonna awamu n'okulaba nga amawanga g'abazungu galekerawo okuyisa amateeka aganyigiriza Abafrika.
I'd like also to congratulate you and your team really for making Samoa agreement being ratified here. This is really something because I will tell you about all the member states that have ratified the Samoa agreement, and in East Africa, out of the 15, 4 countries only could ratify, and Uganda is part of them. I know that it is a long process. It requires a lot of consultation, explanation, debates, etc. And most of the countries, need to really look at this issue very seriously. In the European side, out of the 27, 13 have ratified. So they're pushing a lot. We are 79 member states. We need to again make sure that the parliamentarians are really involved, mobilized, so that they can at their level also do their part of the job. But again, under Samoa agreement, which is our partnership agreement with the European Union, we have mechanism, and among the mechanism that we have the Parliamentary Assembly, which are the one of Africa.
Sebugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggulire lino ku KTV amalindirire.